water. Hiccup's is crummy swimmers, you know.
If you'll excuse me, Tigger, I must go find...
I think they already found you, buddy boy.
Go.
See? I told you it would work.
Oh, worry not, dear friend. My great-great-great-uncle Ebenezer, on my mother's side, had a surefire cure for the hiccups. It's really quite simple. If the hiccups can't hiccup, then they'll have to hic down.
You can't argue with logisticals like that.
Owl?
Yes, Piglet? I say, Tigger, this is no good.
Well, maybe not, but you have to admit, the little guy sure makes a dandy pogo stick. It's terrifical! It's fantastical! What is it?
It's a hiccup trap, of course.
Yeah, and it looks like a pretty good one at that.
But before we can capture them, we must first trick the hiccups out. Now, you lie down and pretend to be asleep. Then, will you let me find... Anything you say, Piglet, whatever that is.
Now, go ahead and make some snoozing noises. I sure hope we bag our limit.
Hooray! We caught a hiccup!
If you didn't want me to eat the cake, why'd you leave it lying around?
Hey, how about that? Them hiccupflings look a lot like Eeyores.
There was something very unusual about Piglet today, although I can't quite put my finger on it. Perhaps he wasn't feeling well. Maybe I should bring him a feeling better gift. But what does one give a piglet who has everything? I know. Honey.
This is a surefire way to cure you, Piglet. Why, all we gotta do is frighten them out. Why, deep down, all hiccupflings are cowardly little scaredy cats.
But so am I. Oh, dear.
Boy, oh boy, this is gonna be great. Oh, what kind of stumpity-bumpity are you? Well, that couldn't even scare a piglet. You want to sound convincing? Try to put some more oohs in your oohs. Oh. Piglet's hiccups won't know what hit them.
Yes. A jar of honey is the perfect friendly gift. It always makes me feel perfectly friendly. Oh, bother. Friendliness doesn't go as far as it used to. Empty again. Woof.